With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Two balls of mass m1 m2 where m2 equals to m1 by 2 undergoes head-on collision as shown in the figure. So you have to find out the value of v4 if v3 is equals to v1 by 2, right? So from momentum conservation we can write m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equals to m1 v3 plus m2 v4. Simple. Now just put the value now. We already know m2 equals to m1 by 2 and we can also say m1 equals to 2m2. So just put the value of m1 equals to 2m2. Yeah, so there is v1 plus v2 is equals to, yeah, so v3 is v1 by 2. So here I will write 2m2 and v3 is v1 by 2 plus m2 v4. So we can cancel out this m2 now. So we can get the value of v4 after solving this. So yeah, so this 2 will get cancelled out and we will get v4 equals to v1 plus v2 and this will be our answer. Simple. So we only here we have to apply the momentum conservation equation. So this is the conservation of momentum equation, right? So just we apply this and we got the answer v4 equals to v1 plus v2 and this is our answer. Simple. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.